If it's fuel efficient, affordable, stylish, and safe, it's probably a Hyundai.
The top 10 amazing seasons that did not lead to an MVP award, and why the anniversary of Will Chamberlain's 100-point game is the perfect day to do it. That is ahead on SportsCenter.
College game going to watch for tonight, 7 Eastern. Harvard continuing its quest to win the Ivy League championship, earning the automatic berth to the NCAA tournament. They're going to go up against Columbia. Crimson hold a half-game lead over second-place Penn and have won the last 6 meetings against Columbia. So, Joe Larney, what happens if they don't win the Ivy?
I think it's interesting with Harvard because what we're looking at could be very similar to what we saw a year ago when Harvard was a team that looked pretty good and at-large worthy most of the season, but ultimately lost what turned out to be a best-of-3 against Princeton for the Ivy League title, splitting 2 regular season games and, of course, losing in dramatic fashion in the one-game playoff against Princeton. And ultimately, the committee had to ask itself, is a team that went best-of-3 and lost against Princeton worthy of an at-large? Well, this year, it would happen against Penn, and this Penn team isn't as strong, at least in my eyes, as Princeton was a year ago. So I think Harvard would be on the outside looking in if they were to get in a playoff with Penn and lose it.
After bouncing back from a rough start today, you're going to hear more from Tiger Woods, why round 2 was so different than round 1 at the Honda Classic. That is next. This is SportsCenter.